So welcome to my channel. This is George Premakumar, and today we'll talk about the Aero India 2021 Airshow. See, as usual, so last 2019, after the show, people are talking it will go to UP, Uttar Pradesh. But as usual, it's in Bengaluru. As usual, it will be in Elanka Air Force Station. So remember, February 3rd, 4th and 5th. Now, people can watch for free on 3rd and 4th, the air show. There are the timings there. What are the timings? The air shows will be there, and you have to download the Aero India 2021 app. You have to download the app from the Google Play Store. And I think there is only one. There is one more Aero show is there, but this is the only one app available there. You have to download it, and then you can register and watch the air show for free. Okay, those who are interested. The last 2019 when I went, a lot of crowd was there. Even the small kids were there. So there are certain people, they don't miss this air show. I know. That for years, I used to get a free pass, executive pass, I don't know. My very close friend was the managing director of HAL, Mr. Balasundar. He's no more now, but he used to give us if you want, but hardly. I took the pass only one time. My children went to see, that is 10 years before, but every time that air show comes, I was missing it. So 2019 I went there, and that was so in the beginning was a bitter experience to getting into it, but later I enjoyed the show. Now Aero India 2021, the air show, the Maga air show will be for only 3 days. That will be on February 3rd, 4th and 5th, that is Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Only 3 days it will be there. Okay.